Welcome back. My name is RJ.
And I'm Oleanah.
Today we're making our version of the bruschetta. And today's special guest is Tallah.
Hello.
So Tallah, are you happy to be here today?
Yes.
Are you happy to help us make the bruschetta?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started. First, we gotta get a tray. But before we take the bread, first, we have to take out this paper.
And now we get the bread.
Correct. Get bread, get cheese. There we go. But first, we got
No, that's at the end. That's when we finish everything.
so how many pieces of bread?
10.
10. There's 10 cheese. I don't know how much is in here.
Yeah.
There are 8 tomatoes. So each one has to have cheese, correct?
Yeah.
Tomatoes. Because Tallah, how do you like it? Just cheese?
Yeah, I like it.
5 with the tomatoes, 5 with the cheese. And your friend, you can eat a tomato. Or 4 more. Okay. So, you want some seasoning?
That's fine.
On all the cheese? Would you like seasonings on the tomatoes? Make sure it looks like art. Make sure you don't get it on the paper, so we don't waste. What is that much? I took up a tiny bit.
Oil.
Oil? Thank you. Almost forgot. I think I did. Little tiny bit. What do you mean a little tiny bit? RJ! Like that? You said a little tiny bit? A little tiny bit?
Oh, that's a
Little tiny bit?
Look at my phone.
I'm sorry.
Okay, let's go.
Don't need it anymore. Oil. Perfect.
Look,
Now-
now we're dripping. Yeah.
Put some of the seasoning in the oil. Just kidding.
What's seasoning? Now, put it in the oven.
Open the oven.
The oven's hot. How long does it have to cook? Maybe about 20 minutes?
About 5? Yeah, I think 5.
2,000 years later.
Now we need to wait.
Start. Start. Is it on? I want it on.
RJ, it's on.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Look, it's cooking.
3:28 a.m.
Why are you making cookie? I gotta wait for 5 minutes.
Okay. I'll put it.
4 minutes.
Okay, just, you know, see that here, now she just, you know.
Okay, right over here. So, Tallah, what do you like to do most of the time?
I liked to do the cheese.
The cheese?
Yeah.
What cheese? I'm saying, what do you like to do all the time?
Oh,
Like, what do you always do? Do you like to draw characters?
yeah.
Who do you like to draw the most?
Zoe.
Zoe? The one from season 1, episode 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the minions.
The minions?
Yeah, I really draw the minions. Almost done.
Well, I think your most favorite part's about to be eating this stuff in 30 seconds.
Careful. Careful, because it's hot.
Good.
It's hot. Really?
Now we need
Ooh, yeah.
some chutney.
Close the oven, please. Ooh, that looks good. I need to get the chutney.
Okay.
Where's the chutney?
Don't burn your hair.
Over there.
Okay, where's the plate? That's the chutney. Okay. Ooh, hot. I need your mitts.
One minute per okay.
One for Tallah. Here you go, RJ. That's for RJ. This is Tallah. This is mine.
This is your plate, RJ. This is your plate. This is my plate.
Can I eat some chutney?
And then put it back.
You can't lick it. That's like double dipping.
I want to eat it.
On your.
I want to eat it.
You got.
Yet. Wait until these two get off. Now there's one getting off.
And
Must be on the elevator.
it's the queen. The queen. What's upside down?
Yum, yum.
Now
Okay.
we need this so we can eat.
I will take it away. I need my other mitten.
I'm gonna.
Three, please.
Three. Whoa.
I would like one, please.
Tomato.
No. The cheese, please.
Oh no. Why did you jump on it? No. I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that. I already found the floor. No, you're clean it up.
You're like taking oh, there's one more. There's one more. That's a waste.
Yeah, because I already jumped the other on the floor.
You did a waste. Now there's one more.
At least it fell on the backside, so you get to eat extra.
We're gonna.
Some extra. There you go. And then the last tomato. Okay.
I'll just
Okay. You'll take how many?
one. Actually, two.
And I'll take.
Do you know what she
Where's my
just did?
plate?
Right there.
Oh.
You know what she just did?
What?
She scooped. Look. See? Now I'm not putting my mouth on that.
Excuse me. Right. There's chutney
Now that's
just
all
for you.
Okay.
That side, not the left side. Hey, you're pushing me out of the video. Oh, that's fine. Let's get another spoon. And this time it's fork. Want some?
I'll have it on the side, please.
This side?
No. That side.
You're pushing me out of the video. This side's over there. Okay.
That's my first.
The good stuff. Did you just eat our side? Stop eating our side. And we're taking more of yours. So
Come on,
you want
I want you
our
to get
chutney?
It's not getting on.
This is our Green Afghan Chutney. It's cilantro, parsley, garlic, and jalapenos. You can get it at www.feedmechutney. Look at that good stuff. Now let's eat some.
Yeah. Well, that tastes good.
Are you actually eating the chutney with it or just the tomatoes? Tallah has cheese. No, you got chutney on. It just tastes too good. I need more. I'll take the spatula out of the way. Get more chutney. Ta-da! Thank you, Feed Me Chutney, for giving us the Green Afghan Chutney. And thank you, Tallah, for coming today. to make this delicious food.
Welcome. We just got some juice on me. Uh-oh. Thank you, RJ, and thank you, Oleanah, for having me. That was so much fun.
You're welcome.
But right now I need to eat this.
You want more cheese?
No, thank you. If you took a bite of that already, or then I'm not gonna eat it. He's stealing it.
Taking your side too. I'm fine. I'll eat it all. I'm gonna eat it all. I'm gonna eat it
Oh,
all.
that's a lot.
Everybody freeze.
I'm going so slow.
I said freeze. For a picture.
He's gonna just
I know, I saw him. Okay,
like he didn't
One.
take a bite.
2, 3, freeze.